Hey, what's up guys? It's Eduardo Ramon from Remax Experts in Ramon Realty. Now this new listing is a beauty. Fully detached, sits on a 51 by 120 foot lot, 3+3 beds, 2 full kitchens, separate entrance to a basement apartment, and the upstairs kitchen, open concept, stunning. Now you're close to schools, minutes to shopping, close to highways. The list is endless, but enough for me. I'll let you check it out and I'll see you in a bit. The potential here is endless, so please, you do not want to miss this opportunity. Give me a call, hit me up on my DMs, shoot me an email, but act now because this detached at this price is something you rarely see. Until next time, guys, ciao.